guys, it is Kyra and welcome back to the My Mob. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can be a part of the My Mob. So you guys, I am vlogging again today, and I know this is a super weird angle that I have you guys at, but I literally just put you in my cup holder for the time being because we're on our way to work, and obviously I'm running late this morning, you guys. Like, I don't know who I thought I was, but I decided to get up, put some makeup on, take my sweet time. Like, I don't know who I thought I was, but anyway, so that's the situation, and I am just on my way to work. Let me stop trying to look at the camera before we have some type of another accident. That's tea, y'all. We don't need another one in the span of this year. So anyway, is that a police? No, that's a regular car. Y'all always be thinking regular cars be the police. I kind of want to put y'all somewhere else. This is an awkward angle. Okay, so I don't know if y'all gonna stay because of how I'll be driving, but I think this is a better angle. So like I said, we're on our way to work, and I just wanted to come and talk to y'all about something that's been annoying me lately. So I don't know if you guys know, like, the difference between CNAs and MAs and nurses and stuff, but there are differences in the training where you work, and obviously the amount of school. Like, nurses go to way more school than MAs or CNAs. But yeah, it's this nurse at my job, to me, that's like always worried about my productivity, or if, you know, y'all done fell. Or, you know, like, if the doctor asks her to do something and she feels like, I guess if she feels like it's a basic task or whatever, she'll be like, well, why didn't he ask you to do it, or why can't you do it? And I'm just looking like, because he didn't ask me, sweetie. Okay guys, so I am at work now, and we will continue my rant about people not minding the business that pays them later, because I think that is so important in today's world. Mind the business that pays you, especially if you work a 9 to 5. If you're not in charge of your coworkers, don't worry about what your coworkers are doing. Okay, so far it has been a pretty decent morning. Not too bad, not too easy, but I am really trying to tap into Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me at Kyra.myi. So I've been posting on my story. I'm planning on making some reels, but that's still a work in progress. But that's my new thing. It's kind of trying to branch off of YouTube, so we'll see where I go next. I'm really thinking about TikTok, but I just don't know if I want to download it or not. So right now, we're just going to go ahead and tap into Instagram. The only thing about working somewhere that provides breakfast and lunch is that you always expect it. So today we didn't have any breakfast, and I'm just sitting here starving. So I'm about to buy a snack, but the vending machine person was here, so I couldn't. So I gotta wait till they leave, and then I'm gonna get me a snack because I'm starving. Okay guys, so random fact, I done had like 4 new chairs this week, because I don't know what it is with my back and me trying to find a new chair, but y'all, this is the one. And I'm getting ready to redecorate my whole desk, so I'm like, this will go better anyway, and it's good for my back, and I can sit however I want. Okay guys, so I did a horrible job at vlogging today at work, just because, really, I don't even know why, but it's way later, like, and I'm just now picking back up the camera. I still have my makeup on. I need to take it off, but I did just go and put my hair in these chunky braids all over because I want to do like a faux hawk look tomorrow. Okay guys, so this morning I was having the freaking worst hair day ever. Like, I almost just called in to work because that's how bad it was, but I guess this is like sensible, decent, I don't know. that I'm using 4K. 4K on 60 for now on is how I am filming. Anyway, so obviously I am here, but I can't clock in because it's not working. So it's like getting to be typical around here. I don't know what type of system is being used, but whatever. So I guess I'll just check the schedule instead. I need to see if I brought my name tag or not. I need to do my planner today. I was supposed to do it yesterday, but ended up not happening because I'm just, at this point, I'm just irresponsible and I don't know why. Like, I need to get my life together. So we got her. I always leave mine backwards, not just for camera, but in general, because the picture is so ugly, I don't like it. Okay, you guys, so this is from school, and I don't go there anymore, so that's why I can show y'all this. Obviously, I don't go here anymore, so don't try and look for me. But yeah, I would much rather have this picture than what I have now, but I can't even show y'all what I have now because I don't want y'all to know where I work at. Okay, so I couldn't clock in because the clock's not working, and now the EMR is not loading, so I don't know what they got going on today, but I'm like, how am I supposed to? Okay, you guys, so I ran out of space, but anyways, nothing is working on the computer, not the not the EMR and not the clock in, but I see other people like on the Wi-Fi thing got their hotspots connected, so I'm guessing that the internet is down. But guess who's not using their hotspot? So I'm just gonna wait till my doctor gets here and connect to his, because I've used my hotspot way too many times. Okay, you guys, so far I've checked 2 patients in, and I'm like, today's gonna be a pretty chill day. It seems like everything is going okay. So yeah, I need to get started on my planner. I have 1 patient in the waiting room, and then the other patient is for a treadmill, but I don't set that EKG up because it's nuclear, so we have a tech that does the IV, so I don't have to worry about doing anything but showing up. So one thing that you guys may need to know about is that my patient that's in the waiting room was technically first, but you have to triage sometimes, and the patient that I called back first was literally in more pain, like physically, and like made an appointment the day of, so that's why I kind of got switched around. Like sometimes you just have to take what's more important first. Okay, you guys, so we are all ready to go, and it is on private. I don't like to schedule my videos because then sometimes I forget they're going up, and I like to be active once I post them. It's the next day, we're back at it. Took the wig off and just went ahead and braided my natural hair, and then I don't even know what you would call this, I just stretched it with rubber bands in the back. I feel like it would have looked more sleek, but I could not find the brush that I like to use, and then I was gonna use my old brush, but I was just like, no, not going. So I kind of did this without a brush, and I'm like, can you tell? Like, see how it's not laid? But yeah. So right now I am finishing some homework. I got 80%. So I think it is like day 3. Anyway, so I've been up since like 2-3 o'clock in the morning. Obviously I'm at work now though, and really just thinking about like branding and which way I'm gonna go and stuff like that. And then schoolwork obviously never can slip my mind. Okay guys, so I think this is like day 3, and this is just to show you that not every single day as an MA is super exciting or busy, or sometimes it's way too exciting, and then those are the days where you guys don't see me recording much because I'm literally just on go mode. But I did just want to come and end this video out because I'm going to edit it and get it up for you guys. And just to let you guys know, I'm going on spring break from school next week, and I have something really big planned for this channel. I'm taking a leap of faith because it's been years and I'm just ready to do something different with this channel. And then also I'm going to be migrating kind of a lot of more content over to the Mai show, which I haven't been posted on, which is my other channel. And this channel is probably strictly just going to be like medical and school related content, and we're just going to see how that works out. I have a whole plan behind it, but I really want to get the rest of my work that I have left done today, so that way during spring break I won't have to worry about working on homework, and I can really just focus on